Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon, and I've got this somewhat unusual looking vehicle to show you today. It's a Phoenix model. This is called the Top Alkoven 8300 BMRSLG. What that means, I haven't got a clue, but there you've got a price there. You're looking at 373,800 for it, and it's 830 centimeters long, width is 245, height 350, and the wheel between the axles 418 centimeters. There we go. So a motorhome's costing me 400,000 euros. First thing you know, it's got a very deep double floor. Well, it'll probably need it for all this stuff it's got to take with it. Here, an enormous rear lounge. Maybe you're not going to appreciate the windows so much because we've got the blinds there. Notice, of course, you've got storage all the way around and in the kitchen. And here we've got the kitchen block, and here's got the gas. Now they are going for gas free, but this one, as you see, isn't gas free, and so we'll probably see a gas in other videos. You can see a gas free one. Lovely domestic looking sink and very nice drawers with a soft close as well. Television's here, so obviously it'll come out and you can sit in the lounge and watch it. And in here, storage. Oh, I like these things. If I can open it. Oh, I can't open it. I can now. I still can't open it. What's wrong with it? Well, I can feel I'm halfway there, but this here seems to be locked. Well, anyway, this is a pull-out pantry. I'm not going to force it. Here we've got a Kissman freezer, and that's how much space there's in there. And this is the fridge as well, and under that more storage. And here we have got the wardrobe. And now I'm not certain why they actually do this, but you see this circuit board in a lot of their vehicles. I mean, there may be a very good reason for it to be like, obviously it's protected by a screen. But anyway, there you got the fuses up there, and some of the fuses are also down here. There may be a very good reason. I don't know what it is. And there's some instructions how the whole thing works. Now, if I come through here, as I'm doing right now, there's the shower, and here's the toilet, and over here we've got the sink. There's me in the mirror. Look how much space there's up here. Look at that. So I'm 1.75 m, and so that what, I don't know what that is, 215, 220, something like that. Another wardrobe, and here steps up, unusual steps, I have to say. Crawl space here from the front, and there's the bed, enormous bed, so you can sleep lengthwise or widthwise. Now it is 245 centimeters in width, so it's quite large. Windows on either side, and I think that's really good. Towel heater there. Now I'd like to tell you a bit more about the important things, which are sort of the technical stuff and all the rest of it. But I've just been to a press conference of theirs, and they really talked there about the Aldi heating system and the trying to go gas free. That was the main topics of the press conference. Okay, good. So I'm trying to get through as many vehicles as I can, so I think that's going to be about it for this one. And there we go. And to stop the riffraff getting in, let's just close this. There you go. It didn't work. Didn't keep me out, but it might keep others like me out. One of the things I'd say, of course, is when you've got the layout here, you've got all sorts of possibilities. These things are built to order. So if you didn't want a rear lounge like this, you could have double beds or something like that in the back. Obviously, I'm going to put a rear lounge over the cab. Little joke there. And oh, and for the extras, there you've got them. And but one of the most expensive one here, 5,270. That is the electro power pack. For and the I think I saw 7. Yes, I did 7,000 there, but that's for furnishings. Big garage. Okay, looks really nice. The trouble with these things though is parking them. So if you get one, don't say I didn't warn you. Thanks for watching.